Another day, man. About to go ahead and talk to these young warriors with the chosen generation in Beaumont, Texas. And this is going to be special, man. We're really going to be able to share some hands-on exercises to where they'll be able to apply some engineering applications. And so they'll be able to experience it and be able to use their critical thinking and just really probably impress themselves and find a high belief in, yes, I can. And so that's what we're going for. We're all about encouraging and empowering. And today we're going to get to do it with the chosen generation. So very excited. I got my team with me. And so we got Kenneth Davis in the back representing. And we got Evan behind the scenes. And he's the reason why everything looks so cool and whatnot. So we're in that space and we're ready to be a part of this impact. So tune in for more, man. We got more to show you.
Yes, ma'am.
That's what they need.